Avelina? Look for yourself, Amelia. Huh? Oh. What's that? Lasers for security. Lasers? Security? Why? Look! And just a push. No, look! But Amelia, what is she doing this time? I think she was chewing gums. You're probably right.
Look at them. They have no idea what's coming. I'm gonna get that gumball machine.
Look! There she is! Let's hide!
At this.
Huh? What's that?
Look very carefully now. Good. Just like that. Ah! Yes! The chewing gums are mine! No. Huh? Oh.
Avelina! Look! Amelia!
See you later, guys!
Oh, no you don't!
No, not fair! Get me out of here!
That can be arranged. I'm calling the police.
No, I don't want to go to jail. I am not getting the chewing gums.
Okay, but only this time. Go away.
Yes! Ah!
Hey!
I will get you next time, girls.
And we'll be ready for you.
Hey!
Thanks for watching this video, but we also are having a gaming channel now.
Yeah, so we got an extra channel playing video games.
Yeah.
Just like what you're seeing over here. So at the moment we play Brawl Stars, which we think is very cool. And you might like those videos as well. So if you like it, go to the channel Amelia and Dad. This is Amelia and this is Dad. Or
No, other way around.
oh. So anyways, I'll put it in the comments below and see you there. Bye!